Hello everyone, this is Zach from TradeVSA. So this short video here, I would like to share with you NS signals. Okay, so for those who know, NS is no supply. So whenever you see no supply signals, it actually representing there is a potential support areas coming in, and this is the area that we want to look for a low risk trades. Okay, so this video I will combine NS. Okay, I will right over here. We'll combine NS with the market stages. Okay, so this is to help us in order for us to get a better edge. Okay, when we look for a trades. So for example, this case over here in Dayang. Okay, I'll share with you later on how you're going to look for this kind of trades later on. So for example, in this diagram over here, we do see there's two NS signals. This is the recent one, okay, which is happening yesterday, okay, with a nice formation over here, and another one is from here. So the problem is the first NS over here, it actually come with a very weak market stages. Okay, if you notice that the market stages showing that this is actually still in downtrend, okay, and of course it's below trend 40s. So overall this is not a very good setup. That's why it didn't able to make a support and make a follow through. But this one is slightly different because the market stages already turns to green. Of course it keep hitting the red line, so that's why it make a very small pullback, okay, with the NS at the moment. Of course, would like to share with you this counters here. The next finally is able to break the closest resistance. Now currently they are heading to the main one, okay, which is only a few percent away, okay, from the big and main resistance. So if you look into the next overall, again, we want to combine the sound strength and the market stages. Okay, so we got one NS over here. Okay, very nice, very close to support. Again, this is an area that it come with lots of weakness, and subsequently the weakness getting slower. Okay, so again, this is representing potentially there's a shakeout area. So another big one over here, okay, and subsequently make a nice reversal going back to the zero line, okay, to the positive territory. So looking into this setup over here for the next, we have green Pentagon followed by NS, and subsequently able to make a follow through with the 1 day pullback. Okay, notice the gray market stages, okay, that we discussed earlier on, and this is also come with the sound strength. So this is how we combine sound strength with market stages, and today this video like I mentioned, we will focus in NS. Okay, so this is one of the very good example, okay, by using NS over here. So confirmation on NS until now, DNX has going up around 20%, okay, over like 3 weeks time at the moment. So we will go into this screeners over here. So let's go into 19th of Jan. Okay, I think this is how I pick up Dayang. Okay, so Dayang, if you notice, they're actually still in a very downtrending trend over here, because the LT trend is actually negative 18. So whenever you see this kind of formation, you know the background is pretty weak, and you don't want to hold for a go ball in this case. Okay, probably want to aim for quick trades. So again, we want to check the overall market stages, which is very important for us. If you notice that this area actually come with lots of green. Okay, so again, yes, this is like an uptrend with pullbacks area over here. So here is the area that it come with actually still plenty of red color. So again, this is obviously downtrend. So whenever you see this kind of formation, you are still against the trend overall. Okay, so you don't want to look for go ball, okay, by holding it for a long period of time. Okay, of course, we are looking into VSA setup today. Okay, so the next thing is that, of course, this is my trading objective by looking into market stages. Okay, so the next thing is that I want to confirm is that, okay, we got green pentagons, okay, cross trend 40s, and now we got NS. Okay, so NS is like a support for me, okay, as I mentioned. So few things that usually I will do is that I will ensure that my market stages, okay, is not too climatic. Okay, let's say too climatic. Most of the time you hit resistance and make a pullbacks again. So here, this is a nice area, okay, with the NS over here. So probably since I missed this trade earlier on, okay, so probably I will continue to wait around this area, and I will pay attention to gray bar, okay, close with my NS bar, okay, and this is the area that potentially I will monitor for my low risk entry. Okay, now the next one is I would like to bring attention to 12th of January. Okay, and this is how ECOWLD, okay, actually is in the list over here. So we got LT 16% with ST 2%. Okay, so I think the setup here probably is slightly better compared to Dayang. Okay, not to say that Dayang can move higher, but just that we want to see, your overall objective of the trades. Okay, so for ECOWLD, looks like they are building a long period of reaccumulation. Again, if you look into the overall trends over here, the green is still dominating. Okay, for the market stages. Okay, so red, recently it do appear because of a big wash, but only few line actually hitting the green line. Okay, so if you compare to Dayang, the selling is still pretty heavy compared to ECOWLD. Okay, so this is how you use the market stages. Okay, so you will notice that the red line is getting smaller, so probably it's a good chance for you to look for a nice reversal with some reaccumulation setups. So again, same things over here. We want to look into some strength with market stages. Here we got green Pentagon, okay, above trend 40s, NS. So this NS actually helps to build a very solid support around the area. So if you look into market stages as well, most of the bar is trading above zero, below green. Okay, so and today we got a very nice volume candles with line change. Okay, with around like 6% count movement. Okay, so this is just a quick video, okay, on how usually I combine sound strength. Like in this video here, we are referring to NS, okay, with market stages. Okay, so if you got any other questions that you want me to cover in the next video here, do let me know, and I will share with you more, some of the ideas, okay, by using these trading setups.